In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to separate components in Fusion 360. By the end, you'll be able to pull parts apart for a clearer view of your design, whether you're preparing an exploded view, inspecting clearances, or just organizing your workspace. Start by opening your design in Fusion 360. Once the model loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the browser on the left side of the interface. This panel lists every component in your design, organized in a hierarchy. Components are the higher level building blocks which can contain bodies, sketches, and features. For separating parts, make sure you're working with components rather than just individual bodies. Clicking a component in the browser will highlight it in the canvas, which helps confirm you've selected the right part. Before moving anything, check whether the components you want to separate are grounded. A grounded component is pinned in place and can't be moved. In the browser, right-click the component you plan to separate and choose Unground if that option is available. If you don't see Unground, it means the component is already free to move and you can continue. Ungrounding simply removes the positional lock so you can reposition it without restrictions. Now it's time to move the parts apart. Go to the toolbar and choose Modify, then Move Copy. In the Move Copy dialog, set the Move Object type to Components so the entire component moves as one unit. You can either click a component directly in the canvas or select it from the browser for precise control. A 3D manipulator appears with arrows and rotation rings. Drag the arrows to slide the component along the X, Y, or Z directions, or use the rotation rings if you want to reorient a part slightly as you separate it. If you prefer exact distances, type values into the dialog's translation fields. Repeat this for each component you want to spread out, creating the spacing you need for visibility and access. When you're happy with the layout, click OK to apply the change. This locks in the new positions. If something doesn't look right, you can always undo and try again. Take a quick look around your model to ensure everything is easy to see and that no parts overlap. That's all there is to it. Open your design, identify the right components in the browser, unground any that are locked, use Modify, then Move Copy to reposition them, and click OK to finalize. With these steps, separating components in Fusion 360 becomes fast, clear, and controllable.